Am I supposed to fail this one? Math is already hard enough!
Plus times equals
What?
Oh.
problem 3 plus times equals
How do you type?
problem 3
Whoa!
times equals
0?
fantastic.
Yeah, I would. Explain.
Problem 3
Okay, he's gonna talk us through.
plus
What the freak?
times
Do I just put anything in here? I don't know. Baldi, what does it eat?
problem 3 plus times equals fantastic.
That's not a question.
Problem 3
That's not a.
plus times
Okay.
equals
What?
good one.
What? How that?
Problem 3
What?
plus times equals
I don't know!